Rosa Parks makes a difference. On December 1st, 1955, Rosa Parks was riding the bus home after a long day of work in Montgomery, Alabama. As the bus became more crowded, the driver ordered Mrs. Parks to stand and give her seat to a white passenger. She bravely refused and was arrested for violating the city's racial segregation laws. The evening of Mrs. Parks' arrest, Edgar D. Nixon and others of the local National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, also known as the NAACP, began to organize a citywide bus boycott. They distributed handbills and placed newspaper ads, encouraging African Americans to show support for Mrs. Park by not using the buses the day of her court trial. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. joined the effort and was elected to lead the Montgomery Improvement Association. The Montgomery bus boycott was so successful it continued for 13 months and drew international attention. The U.S. Supreme Court ultimately determined racial segregation on public transportation unconstitutional, ending transportation segregation in Montgomery and nationwide.